Hey, Tyler here. Today I want to bring 6 words that I usually see people mispronouncing. The first one here only has 2 syllables, series. And this one, SI-ree-us, has 3 syllables, SI-ree-us, SI-ree-us. The first word B-E-E-N is pronounced with an I sound as in live. In being, the food is pronounced with the E sound as in see. Of, off. Of is pronounced with the sound, and F here actually sounds like a V sound. Now off is pronounced as the sound, and father, and F here is a real F sound. Well, I hope it was helpful, and let me know in the comments if there are any words you usually struggle to pronounce. Thank you, and see you next video.
I'm slipping away, so don't